unboxing of the almighty TE37 Black Edition 3. Here we go, comes in this motherfucking box. To check this shit out. All this extra packaging and shit, you know. Make sure you keep this bitches safe. Take this shit out right quick. Go, go, go. Oh, snap. The usual, we've all seen these videos. It comes with these stickers. Fucking spoke stickers, basically. Y'all know how that goes. QR code, I guess. They'll show you how to put on the stickers. Or where to put them on more than anything. Fuck, man, with the noise. Anyways, running my video. Here we go. Oh, shit. Snap. Look at that. God damn. And here they are. The raised TE37sl's Black Edition 3. And they are beautiful for sure. The valve stem comes down there. This is the whole fucking shit. For those of you who are buying this, you should be excited because they are gorgeous in person.